Lily, what are you in?
A bed, but he thinks it's a jacuzzi that I made.
Are you in a jacuzzi, Bean?
Yeah, I think it is, but now I don't.
Is it nice and warm?
Yeah, and if somebody wants to visit, here's a seat next to my bed.
Like for Grandpa or Grandma?
Yeah.
Or Rachel?
Yeah. Anybody that can't really go on my bed, they can just sit here to visit me if I'm like resting. I can show you. This is where you just sit right here.
That's the living room right there?
Yeah. You just sit anywhere. Nice and comfy. My seat is right over here.
Looks pretty comfy.
It is.
Alright, bye.